We are going to see the error related to Docker entry point. If you want to run a shell command once Docker container is started, we use commands in Entrypoint.sh. But the issue is running this file stops the container. To fix the error, you need to run the entrypoint command also, which keeps the container running. In this Docker compose file, under one of the services, I am going to use docker entrypoint.sh. Container will get this file under its root directory. Other field of these services are same. So here in this Docker file, here I am pulling the Maven image and I am going to create the war file using mvn clean install. Now in this second layer where I have pulled this Tomcat image, so first I am copying this war file inside the container, and then in one of the steps I am going to copy this docker entrypoint.sh file inside the container, the same place where I have used the path in Docker Compose. Now I am going to give execution permission for this docker entrypoint.sh. Now if you see my docker entrypoint.sh file, here I have given sleep 60 because I want to wait up to 60 seconds, and then in the next command I have made the Tomcat service running. Sleep 60 is necessary because I do not want Tomcat container should be running before any other container. Otherwise my service was failing. In this case the entry point command is Tomcat running command, that is catalina.sh run. We can find this command by using docker inspect. In another example, in this PHP service I have used entry point. So here I have not used any entrypoint.sh. Instead, I have used the command in the Docker Compose file itself. So if you see, here I need to change the permission, the owner of this directory. But after changing the owner, I need to run the service also. Otherwise, my container was failing. So here I have changed the owner and group, and then I have made this service running, PHP FPM. Similarly, if you see this Docker file, I have not used anything related to Docker entry point because I have used entry point in this Docker Compose file. So that's how we use Docker entry point. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you for watching.